So hello everyone, what do we have here? A missing number. So it says, given an array nums contain n distinct numbers in a range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from an array. Well, pretty fun. 0 to n and probably n is the length of array. So the one first method which comes into our mind is go ahead, check this one by one that 0 is present, 1 is present, 2 is present. Second approach is create a hash map. Third approach is create a set. Go ahead, do that. One another approach is you can have an XOR. So the only thing you need to hear about is that X, any number X XORing 0 uh, is X itself, and any number XORing itself is 0. So we can XOR these elements over this and we'll find out that what is the missing element over n numbers and this. So this is one case, and another case which seems is like you can just go ahead, add this, and you can return this, and probably that is one of the simplest thing. So what I'm saying is that sum of n elements minus sum of nums. Pretty much simple. And it says it is 0 to n, so no worrying of negative numbers. So let's do this then. So what is sum of n elements? N elements is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So 5 minus the sum of elements. So arrays dot stream nums, and I'll getting the sum over it. Let's run this. Oh, cannot find n. Oh yeah, n is not defined because n is nums.length. What is this again? Possible loss, double to int. Okay, we do want only integer value, so let's take this as int only. Mhm. So it says accepted. Let's submit this. Oof. So we got it submitted. So that's what it is by sum. Let's do it by XOR method as well, just for fun. Nothing much. So we are taking XOR over range of n numbers minus XOR over array, and here we are saying nums, and here we are telling number, a range. So I'll take it to a next line. Quickly write down these methods. Okay, just no need of specifiers. XOR, and initially the XOR would be 0. Let me know that n is inclusive or exclusive. It would be known by, so n is inclusive, so we need to include this as well. And XOR over arrays is pretty simple. You just int XOR over array, and it is int nums. Okay, it is integer array nums. And we return arrays dot stream nums dot for each. Okay, instead of that getting it complex, Let's use the below technique itself. C command V, and you're good to go with nums of I. The only difference is nums.length. Isn't it right? So it's int. Here we need to specify int. It's not dynamic typing. Oof, oof. The output is negative. Oh, it's not minus, it's XORing itself. So, yep, it's submitted. And here we go. So it's even faster because it's bits operation. So whenever in doubt, you can use bit operation because those are much more faster than the original arithmetic operations. Because arithmetic operations internally boil down to bit operations, and that's the reason. But did you know that this solution is not a valid one when it comes to problems like this over a given range, over repetitions? So curious, right? Click on the video right to know more about this.